Hi, tonight we're going to go over lesson 4-6. We're going to talk about division with zeros. Again, the number in the box is the dividend, the number on the outside of the box is the divisor, and the number on the top, called the quotient, is your answer. Here's an example. When we start our division, we take our divisor, and I always say, does 8 go into 6? No, it does not. So you could put a 0 up there if you'd like to. Does 8 go into 64? Yes, it does. Then you do your subtraction and you bring down your 0. Now, you have to put a 0 up here above your 0, though. You can't leave that space empty. Let's go to our next example. Again, ask yourself, does 3 go into 3? Yes, it does. Okay, goes in there once. Do your subtraction. Does 3 go into 2? No, it does not. Does 3 go into 22? Yes, it does. 3 times 7 is 21. We have a remainder of 1. You always bring that up. Remainder 1. Next example. Does 4 go into 9? Yes, it does. Goes in there twice. Subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down your 0. Does 4 go into 10? Yes, it does. Twice. Your subtraction. Bring down your 8. Does 4 go into 28? Yes, it does. 7 times. No, with no remainder. I'm running out of space. Okay, take out your notebooks. I want you to title the page Lesson 4-6. I want you to write down this problem, 776 divided by 7. And when you start the work, I want you to pause the recording until after you're done with the work, and then go back to find out if you've done the work correctly. So first of all, I ask myself, does 7 go into 7? Yes, it does. It goes in there once. Do my subtraction. Does 7 go into 7? Again, yes, it does. Again, I'm going to subtract. Does 7 go into 6? No, it doesn't. I have to fill my place with a 0. I can't leave that place empty. So your answer would end up to be 110 remainder 6. Let's go to the next equation. Okay, again, while you're doing the work, I'd like you to pause and then go back to find out if you've done it correctly. Does 6 go into 9? Yes, it does. Once. So I'm going to subtract. Bring down my 6. Does 6 go into 36? Yes, it does. 6 times. Do my subtraction. I don't want to forget about that 5 up there. I got to bring that down. Does 6 go into 5? No, it does not. So I'm going to fill the space with a 0. I have a remainder of 5. So I'm going to write my answer over here in this column, 160 remainder 5.